Good morning, everybody. So, yesterday we already discussing about the binary operations and commutative property and associative property. Okay, what is a binary operation? Binary operation is binary operation star on a function star from, it is an a star from, star from A cross A to A. Okay, and what is commutative? Commutative, it means that A star B is equal to B star A. What is associative? A star B and B star C is equal to A star B and star C is an associate property. This is commutative property. This is an binary operation. Okay. On the basement of these three property, binary operation, commutative property and associative property, in your exercise last exercise, it will contains the so many examples on the basement of this type. For each operation, star will be defined on the this type. So just you have to show that it is satisfied binary, commutative, associative properties. Okay now. So in this concept, so from onwards of the binary operations or otherwise binary, commutative, associative or identity, we don't know where exactly they will asked. Okay now, that's why after binary operation 100% they will ask one questions for annual examination in 1 marks for one questions. Okay now, so that's why we have to clearly observed, clearly understood about each and every questions about on the basement of binary and commutative and associate. Okay na, ಇಲ್ಲಿ after binary operation ಆದಮೇಲೆ binary operation ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನ್ನ ಕೇಳತಕ್ಕಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ 100% ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ binary operation ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ binary operation ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ just you have to check that one it is possible to LCM of A and B ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. So that's why these are very important. Just you have to clearly observe about these are all the questions. Okay now. So hagadra first one question is, for each operation star is defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative, associative. So this one is given set is what that on Z. Z it means that integers. On Z it means that integers. A star B is equal to A minus B. A star B is equal to A minus B. What is the problem they are given? A star B is equal to A minus B is given. So this will be defined on which set? They are defined on the integers set. Okay now. So on Z define A star B equal to A minus B. Star it will be denoted as a operation. So A star B is equal to A minus B. So this problem, is it possible to satisfy binary, commutative, associative? They are asking first check that one. Okay now. So first one we will check that one binary. First one we have to check that one binary operation solution. So binary operation check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So it is possible to check it is satisfied with the binary operations to check that one. So once again we will write A star B is equal to A minus B. Now in Martin Hagadra we will take one example. We will take another example for this one problem. I will take that is a 2 and 3 belongs to be a Z. 2 and 3 belongs to be a Z. These two numbers are keep in the placement of A and B. What happen? 2 star 3 is equal to 2 minus 3. What happen? Minus 1. Minus 1 is present in Z. It is possible minus 1 is present in Z. So minus 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ Z integer ಅಲ್ಲ. So that's why 2 and 3 are belongs to be a Z and minus 1 is also belongs to a Z. That's why it is a binary operation. So AB belongs to be a Z and AB belongs to be a Z. A minus B is also belongs to be a Z. So star is binary operation. Star is binary operation. Next we will check that one commutative. We will check that one commutative. So commutative, what is the problem they are given? Once again we will write A star B is equal to A minus B, and commutative property it will be defined as A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. Now we will take two numbers 2 and 2 and 3 belongs to be a, which set they are defined? 2 and 3 belongs to be Z. So 2 is in the placement of A, I will keep in the placement of A, and 3 is keep in the placement of B, and in the placement of B we will keep the 3, and I will keep in the placement of A, I will keep 2. Okay. So according to this one, A star B, it means that A minus B. A star B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A minus B. Should take that one 2 minus 3. And so A star B, it means that A minus B, it means that 3 minus 2. It means that 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 1. So both are not equal. Okay, now commutative property, what it tells us? A star B is equal to B star A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, minus 1 is doesn't equal to 1. It means that star is not a binary of, so star is not a commutative holds good. Commutative holds good. Star is not a commutative property. Star is not satisfies the, star is not satisfies commutative property. Satisfies commutative property. Okay now. So next one they are asking, that is associative property. How to take that one? Associative property. This is completed binary and commutative. So next one you will take, that is associative problem. How to take, what it tells us, definition about associative is associative. How to define this one? A star of B star of C is equal to A star B and star of C. It is called as an associative property. So whenever both LHS is equal to RHS, at that time only we call it is an property associative, it holds good. We will check that one. So I will take a 3 numbers, 2 and 3 and 4 belongs to a which set? These are belongs to be a Z set. A is an 2, B is an 3, C is an 4. We will take this type. Okay. So keep these 3 numbers in the placement of ABC. Keep these 3 numbers in the placement of ABC. What happened? In the placement of A we should keep 2, and in the placement of 3 we should keep 3, and in the placement of C we should keep 4, and in the placement of A we should keep 2, and in the placement of B we should keep 3, and in the placement of C what happened? So should keep 4. Okay now, what is A star B? What is A star B? A star B, it means that A star B andre ಏನು? A minus B, first number minus second number. A star B, it means that first number minus second number. A star B is equal to A minus B, it means that first number minus second number. We will write that type only. So first number minus second number and first number minus second number. Star of 4. Star of 4. Okay. What is answer about this one? 2 star. 2 star minus 1. 2 minus 3, it means minus 1. Star of 4. And what is 2 star minus 1? It means that A star B, it means that A minus B. A star B, it means that A minus B. It means that first number minus second number. First number minus second number. So we will write that type 2 minus 1. First number minus second number, it means minus 1 minus of 4. What happened? 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 4. 3 is equal to minus 5. Both are doesn't equal. So that's why star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not associative on which set? On Z set. Okay now, this step you should solve the binary commutative associative. Now let us, we will take another one example. So it is very simple to checking these are all. So second question is, you have to take that one. Second one is on Q. On Q, it means rational numbers. On Q, define A star B is equal to AB plus 1. On Q, it means that rational numbers. What is the definition about that one? Rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the P by Q form. Rational numbers are in the P by Q form. Q is doesn't equal to 0. P and Q are the both are integers. Q, P and Q are both are the integers. Rational numbers, it means that a number which is of the form p by q form, p and q are both are the integers. This type they are given root 3 and root 5 and 5. These are all a irrational number. Remember, so in the numbers any one they can be given, that is called as an rational number, except this type of the numbers root 3, root 5 and 5. Okay, rational numbers you can take, this is also rational number, this is also rational number, 5 is also rational number. 5 can also be in, it can be expressed in terms of a p by q because of this type. 5, nothing is there with that number, nothing one is there, but it is divided by the 1 is always with you, that one. Okay, now that's why any number you can take that is expressed in the form of rational numbers. Okay, on q define a star b is equal to ab plus 1. A star b is equal to ab plus 1. A star b is equal to ab plus 1. Okay, so once again we should write, that is what is given condition problem ab plus 1. So to check that one, binary operation, it is possible to satisfy binary operation, just how to check that one. I will take examples. It means 2 and 3 belongs to be a q, 2 and 3 belongs to be a q, it means that rational numbers. So these two numbers are kept in the placement of a and in the placement of b. What often a, it means 2 into 3 plus 1, it means 6 plus 1. 7 is also belongs to be a rational number. 7 is also belongs to be a rational number. That's why 2 and 3 is belongs to be a rational number. 7 is also belongs to be a rational number. That's why AB is belongs to be a rational number, implies AB plus 1 is also belongs to be a rational number. So star is binary operation on, star is binary operation on which set? Q set. Next one, commutative. Check that one, commutative. What it tells us, once again we should write given problem a star b, ab plus 1. Commutative, it will tells us a star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. So now once again we will take two numbers, 2 and 3 belongs to be rational number. 2 and 3 belongs to be rational number. In the placement of a and b, we will keep those two numbers. What often 2 star 3 is equal to, what is b? B is 3. Keep that one, 3 star a. Okay, now so it means that a star b, it means that what often a star b, it means that ab plus 1. A star b, it means that ab plus 1. Should write data type only. A star b is equal to ab plus 1. Okay, 2 star 3 andre 2 into 3. 2 into 3. A andre 2, b andre 3 plus 1 is equal to, okay, sorry, it means 3 star 2. A star b is equal to ab plus 1 आता. Okay, 3 star 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, a ಜಾಗದಾಗ 3 fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, so b ಜಾಗದಾಗ 2 fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. What often, so in the placement of a, what often 3, in the placement of b, what often 2 plus 1. Okay, check that one, 3 into 2 plus 1, this is 6 plus 1, this is also 6 plus 1, 7, both are equal. It is commutative. Star is commutative on which set? Rational number set. Okay, now next one we will check associative property. It holds good or not. First we will check that one. What it tells us associative in ಹೇಳತ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a star b star c is equal to a star b and star c. A star b star c, a star b and star c. Okay, so I will take 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 4 belongs to be a rational number. We will take 3 numbers, 2, 3, 4 belongs to be rational numbers. In the placement of a, we will keep a 2. In the placement of b, we will keep a 3. In the placement of c, we will keep 4. And next, in the placement of a, we should keep 2. And in the placement of b, we should keep 3. And we should keep in the placement of c 4. What often? So just you have to observe here, a star b is equal to a plus ab. A star b is equal to ab plus 1. Okay, so 3 star 4 what often? 2 star 3 star 4 what often? This one, in the placement of a star b, I will keep 3 star 4. It means that, so in the placement of a 3, in the placement of b, so 3 into 4 plus 1, it means that 7. Sorry, 3 12 Okay, so first you should express 3 into 4 plus 1. And next one, in the placement of a, we should keep a 2. In the placement of b, we should keep 3. So here there is a is there, that's why here also a is there. Here it is a b is there, that's why it is a b is there. That's why 3 and plus 1 and star of 4, okay. So 2 star 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, okay. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, star of 4, okay. So again we should apply the relation. It means that we should again we will apply, that is the definition, a star b equal to ab plus 1 in between these two numbers 2 star 3. What happen? This is considered as a and this is considered as a b, this is considered as a and this is considered as a b, and here this is also considered as a and this is considered as a b. We should keep in the placement of a 2 star, in the placement of b 13. So what happen here? In the placement of a it's again getting the value 2, in the placement of b we should keep 13. What happen? Plus 1 is equal to, next one, so again we should keep in the placement of a 7, in the placement of b it means 4, okay. These two numbers are keep in the placement of ab. What happen? 7 into 4 plus 1, 2 into 13 it means 26 plus 1 28 plus 1 it means, next one, what happen? 27 is equal to 29. Both are the numbers are doesn't equal, okay. So that's why both are the numbers are doesn't equal. Just you have to keep observation. Is it possible to equal? Munakal 12 plus 1 12 6 plus 1 7 4 7 into 4 28 plus 1 26. It's right, it is doesn't equal. Star is not satisfied. Which one? Associative property on which set? So on the rational set it is. So associative is not possible to satisfy, but it is commutative satisfied, okay. Next one we go to the problem is next one problem is, so on the q, it means this is the third one, so this is third one. On q define a star b is equal to a by 2. On q define a star b is equal to ab by 2. This is also question. You have to check that one. It is satisfies binary. It is satisfied, that is a binary commutative associative property. Just have to check that one. On q it means rational numbers. It is also this question is also asked on the basement of the rational number. First you have to check that one. First, before you going to binary operation, first you write the definitions. A star b is equal to ab by 2, a star b is equal to ab by 2. First we should check binary operation. Is it satisfied to, is it possible to satisfy the binary operation? Okay, we will check that one. Now a star b is equal to ab by 2 on rational number, okay. So now I will take two numbers. For example, 2 3 belongs to be a rational number. 2 and 3 are the two numbers which are in the case in the placement of a 2, and in the placement of b we should keep 3. What happen? We should keep those two numbers. 2 star 3 is equal to 2 into 3 2 cancels. What's remaining? 3. Whatever you can keep the numbers, it should give the rational numbers only. Whatever you can keep the numbers, whichever you can keep the numbers in the placement of AB, it's again gives the rational number. That's why AB is belongs to be a Q. Then AB by 2 is also belongs to be a Q. So star is what happen? Star is binary operation. Star is binary operation on Q. Next we will check that one commutative. Commutative check madre hagaದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Commutative. It means that once again we will write that is definition. A star b is equal to ab by 2. What is commutative? A star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. So okay, I will take two numbers in between these two values. Those numbers are again take that one. 2 and 3 belongs to be a rational numbers. 2 and 3 belongs to be a rational number. In the placement of a we should keep 2, and in the placement of b we should keep 3. And next one, in the placement of b should keep 3, and in the placement of a we should keep a 2. Okay, what often in the placement of A, what it is 2, in the placement of B, what often 3. So okay, we will multiply these two values. First we have to situate these two values. 2 into 2 into, it means B is 3 divided by 2, and okay, here, so here there is a, in the placement of A, what often there is a 3 is there, in the placement of B, what is there, so 2 is there. Okay, now A is 3, should keep that one, A is 3 and B is what, 2, so divide by 2, here it is a 2, here it is a 2, it cancels, what's remain, 3. So it means that star is commutative, star is commutative on which one, star is commutative on Q. Okay, next we will check that one, associative property. Let's check that one, associative. What is associative? It will tell us what often associative is. A star of B star C is equal to A star B star of C. So it means A star B is equal to AB by 2 is there. So okay, I will take 3 numbers, 2 and 3 and 4 belongs to be a, 2, 3, 4 belongs to be a rational numbers. Those 3 numbers are the rational numbers. Those 3 numbers you should keep in the placement of A, what often 2 and star of, in the placement of B we should keep 3 and in the placement of C we should keep 4, and next one what often in the placement of A we should keep 2 and in the placement of B so we should keep 3, and next one in the placement of C we should keep 4. Okay, what is A star B? A star B is equal to AB by 2. A star B is equal to AB by 2. It means that 2 star 2 star 2 star 3 star 4, it means that in the placement of A there is, that's why here is a A is there, so here it is a B is there, that's why here is also B is there. We should keep those two values in the placement of A and B. What often 3 into 4 is equal to 2. Okay, next one, here we identify that one, in the placement of A here there is a 2 is there, in the placement of B is, so what else, 3 is there, we should keep 2 into 3 divided by 2 star of 4. Okay, so now there is a 2 and this one 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, what's remain, 2 star 6 is equal to 3 star 4, 3 star 4. Now again we will apply the operate between these two values. 2 star 6, it means that AB by 2, A star B is equal to AB by 2, it means that wherever there is a A is there, fill 2, wherever there is a B is there, fill 6. What often 2 into 6 divided by 2 is equal to, wherever there is a A is there, fill 3, and wherever there is a 4 is there and that plus, so we should keep 3 into 4. What often here, what often this one 6, here there is a cancel, here it means 6 is equal to 6, it is associative satisfied, associative satisfied on which one set, Q set. It means that rational number set it will be satisfied. Okay, next one we go to the next problem is on Z plus. What is that one, on Z plus, on Z plus define A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. On Z plus, it means that positive integers, we always took that one, positive integers, define A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB on Z plus, on the Z plus, so define A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. Just you have to check that one, binary operation, is it possible, satisfies binary operation. First you should write once again, so what is their given definition, A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. So to take an example for this one, 1 and 2, so these two numbers are belongs to be Z plus, these two are positive integers. So what often in the placement of A and B we should keep 1 star 2 is equal to 2 raised to, in the placement of A we should keep 1 and in the placement of B we should keep 2. What often 2 into 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, so what often 4 1 and 2 are belongs to be a Z plus, then 1 and 2 belongs to be Z plus, then its outside result is 4 is also belongs to be a Z plus. Okay now, so that's why whatever you can takes and operate after we get the result is also present in same set, that is called as a binary operation. Okay now, A cross A tends to A, so that's why star is binary operation. Star is binary operation which set? So there is a Z plus set on Z plus set. Okay, next one we will take that one commutative property. We check that one commutative. It holds good or not? It holds good or not? Once again we should write what is a given definition. A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. What is commutative? Commutative is A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. So okay, I will take a two numbers. Similarly, 1 and 2 belongs to be a Z plus, or otherwise we will take a 2 and 3. So or otherwise 3 and 4. Whatever you can take the numbers, no problem. 1 and 2 in the placement of A, we should keep 1. In the placement of B, we should keep 2. And in the placement of B, what is that one? 2 is there. That's why pill 2. And in the placement of A, we should keep 1. What happen? 1 star 2 is equal to 2 star 1. What is A star B? 2 raised to AB. What is A star B is 2 raised to AB. That's why 2 raised to, what is A? A is 1. And what is B? What is B? B is 2. Okay. So next one, 2. What is A? In the placement of A, what is there? A, what is there? That one 2 into, what is B? There is a 1. 2 raised to 1 into 2 is 2. And 2 raised to 2 into 1 is 2. So okay, there is a 4 is equal to 4. This is commutative property holds good. Commutative holds good. Commutative holds good. Okay, next one we will check that one. Associative property. Is it possible to satisfy? Next we will check that one. Okay. So what it tells us associative is? Associative is A star of B star C is equal to A star B and A star C. Okay. So here I will take a 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 belongs to be a which one? Z plus. 1, 2, 3 belongs to be a Z plus. Wherever there is a A is there, fill 1. Wherever there is a B is there, fill 2. Wherever there is a 3 C is there, fill 3. Similarly, we should keep A is 1 and B is 2 and C is, what is C? This is 3. Okay. Next one, A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. 1 star, 1 star in the placement of A. If suppose I will keep 2, what happen? In the placement of B, if suppose we will fill 3, what happen? This one 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to, what happen? 2 raised to, it means that in the placement of A, what is there? 2. And in the placement of B, what is there? 3. So in the placement of B, what is there? 3. And 1 star 2 in the placement of A, we should keep 1, and in the placement of B, we should keep 2. What happen? 2 raised to 2 raised to, in the placement of A should keep 1, and in the placement of B should keep 2. What happen? Star of 3. Okay. Next one, 1 star 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 2 is 2 raised to 2 star 3. So again we will operate in between these two values. Again we will operate. So this one definition in between these two values. So what happen? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. So 2 raised to what is A? A is 1. A ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 1 ಐತಿ. B ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? 2 raised to 6 ಐತಿ. To take that one. Okay. Next one 2. What is A? A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ? 2 square ಐತಿ. So what is B? B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ? 3 ಐತಿ. Okay. Next. So next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 1 into anything is anything. 1 into 2 raised to 6 is 2 raised to 6 is equal to. So next one, what happen? 2 into 2 square, it means that 2 square it means 4 into 3. 2 into raised to, it means 2 raised to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 4 4 8 12 sorry 4 8 16 32 64 64 is equal to 12. both are not equal. 2 raised to 64 and 2 raised to 12 both are not equal. So that star is not associative satisfied. Star is not associative satisfied on Z plus. Okay, now next one we will take that one. Next one is question is fifth one question is, I will take this one. So on n define on n define a star b is equal to a raised to b. On n define a star b is equal to a raised to b. On n define a star b is equal to a raised to b. What is the condition is a star b is equal to a raised to b. Just how to check that one. It is possible to satisfy binary operation. It is possible to satisfy the binary operations. Just how to check that one. What is given condition is a star b is equal to a raised to b. A star b is equal to a raised to b. A star b is equal to a raised to b. Now let us, we will take two numbers 2 and so 2 and 3 belongs to be a whatever, that's one natural number. 2 and 3 are belongs to be a natural number. These two numbers keep in the placement of a and keep in the placement of b. What happen? 2 star 3. So a is, what is a? What is a? This one a is 2. What is b? So in the power of 2 raised to power is b. It means that b is 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Okay, now so now 2 3 is also belongs to be an n, and it implies 8 is also belongs to be n. So ab is also belongs to be n, then a raised to b is also belongs to be n. That's why so star is binary operation on natural number. Star is binary operation on natural number. Next one we will check commutative property. Commutative property. Is it possible to satisfy commutative property? Just to check once again we will write a star b is equal to a raised to b. A star b is equal to a raised to b. What it tells commutative property? A star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. Now let us take that is two numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 belongs to be a natural number. 2 and 3 are belongs to be a natural number. These two numbers filled in the placement of a and in the placement of b. What happen? So in the placement of b should keep 3, in the placement of a should keep 2. And so what is a star b? A star b is equal to a raised to b. In the placement of a, what is there? A is there. That's why we should write a, first one. And after upper side, what is the value? 3 is there. Okay, that's why we should write 3. 2 raised to 3. And next one, here it is also 3 star 2 is there. 3 star 2, a star b is equal to a raised to b. It means that in the placement of a, 3 is there. In the placement of b, what is there? 2 is there. That's why if you supposed to keep 3, and what happen? This one it is present in below side. Above side what happen? This one 2. 2 raised to 3 is 8 and is equal to 9. It is doesn't equal. Star is not satisfied. Star is not satisfied. Star is not satisfied commutative. Star is not satisfied commutative. And next one we go to the associative property. What it tells in Ragadra. Associative property. What it tells us, Hagadra, what is associative property? Once again we should write this one conditions. A star b is equal to a raised to b. A star b is equal to a raised to b. So what is associative? Associative is a star b star of c is equal to a star of b and star of C, A star of B star of C, A star B and star of C. So now I will take a 3 numbers 2 and 3, 4 belongs to be a 2, 3, 4 are belongs to be a natural number. These 3 numbers are keep wherever ABC is there. So keep that one 2 star and 3 star 4 is equal to A star B, it means that 2 star 3 and star of C, it means 4. And what is A star B? A star B, it means that A raised to B. What is A star B? A star B, it means that A raised to B. We should keep 2 star. 2 star. What is A? 3 is the A. And what is B? So 4. 3 star 4. It means that in the placement of 3, in the placement of A should keep 3. In the placement of B, we should keep 4. Next, 2 star 3, it means that in the placement of A, 2 is there, should take a 2. In the placement of B, we should keep 3. So above side is 3. Star 4. 2 star, it means that what happened this one? 3, 3, 3, 3. 9, 27, 81. 81. And it means 8 star 4. Again, we should keep the condition in between these two values. It is considered as A and this is considered as a B. What happened? It is first one value is A and second one value is B. 81 is equal to first one value is A, 8 and second one value is 4. Is it equal? It is not equal. That's why we should write this one. Star is not satisfied. Star is not satisfied. Star is not satisfied. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what associative. Star is not satisfied associative property. Okay. Next one, we go to the next one. Problem is in your exercise notes, NCERT. What is that one? construct the binary operation. So wedge, it will denoted as a V, opposite V, it means wedge. It will called as an wedge on the set 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 defined by A wedge B. Wedge, it means that this is also one operation. A wedge B is equal to minimum A comma B. Write the operation table. Write the operation table. Write the operation table of the operation wedge. It means construct the binary operation wedge on the set 1 2 3 4 5 defined by A wedge B. Wedge is also called as one type of the operation. So minimum of AB. Write the operation table of the operation wedge. Okay. So what is that one? How to construct the operation table? It's very simple. How to operate and how to construct the one operational table. Okay, we are going to take that one. So this is the binary operation. To make and create a one binary this one operation table. How to create that one binary operation table, first you should observe how much of the numbers are there in that given set. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು sets ಎಷ್ಟು numbers ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. First you should observe how much of the numbers are there. So that much of the columns and rows we have to draw. That much of columns and rows you must and should be draw that one. So here first one column is we shall to left for this one wedge. So this is operation. This is operation. And so to take 1 and 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. Okay. To take this is wedge. So wedge and we will take. So how much of the numbers are there? That much of the columns and rows must and should be drawn. So this is 1 and 2 and fill those numbers in these blocks. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So this is takes as a 5 and so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we should draw the so 5 columns also. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so a wedge b, it means a wedge b is equal to minimum of a comma b. A wedge b is equal to minimum of a comma b. Now I applied that one 1 wedge 1, it means 1 wedge 1. What happened? 1 wedge 1 is equal to minimum of these two numbers. We have to comparison between these two numbers. What is minimum value? What is minimum value? So 1 wedge 1 we should observe just 1 wedge 1. So in between these two values, what is minimum value? What is the minimum value? So both are the same value, that's why. So no one has a minimum value, no one has a maximum value. We can write the only one value. So those are both equal. Next one, 1 wedge 2 is equal to here just want to take 1 wedge 2. 1 wedge 2. What happened? In between these two values, in between these two values, what is minimum value? Minimum value is 1 and 2. In between these two values, what is minimum value? There is a minimum value is 1. Okay, now so in between these two values 1 and 2, minimum value is 1. And next similarly we just take that one 1 wedge 3. What is minimum value? 1. What is minimum value? 1. And next one 1 wedge 4. What is minimum value? 1. And 1 wedge 5. What is minimum value? 1. Okay, now next one in between comparison between this one. So this one 2 and 1. 2 wedge 1. What is minimum value? 1 is the minimum value. 2 wedge 2. What is minimum value? 2. So both are equal. That's why. So nothing. No one has the minimum. No one has the maximum. That's why we should keep 2 and 2 wedge 3. It means that what is minimum value? Minimum value is 2. And 2 wedge 4. What is minimum value? 2. And 2 wedge 5. 2 wedge 5. What is minimum value? 2 is the minimum value. Next one. So 3 wedge 1. What is minimum value? 1. 3 wedge 2. Minimum value 2. 3 wedge 3. What is minimum value? 3. 3 wedge 4. Minimum value is 3. 3 wedge 5. What is minimum value? 3. Okay. 4 wedge 1. What is minimum value? 1. 4 wedge 2. Minimum value is 2. 4 wedge 3. Minimum value is 3. 4 wedge 4. Minimum value is 4. 4 wedge 5. Minimum value is 4. 5 wedge 1. Minimum value is 1. 5 wedge 2. So 2 is the minimum value. 5 wedge 3. 3 is the minimum value. 5 wedge 4. 4 is minimum value. 5 wedge 5 is a, so it is no one has a minimum, no one has a maximum, both are equal. It is a construction of the operation table. So wedge, it means that this is also one type of the operation. Minimum of a and b, it will tells us minimum of a and b. In between these two values, what is the minimum value? You should write 1 and 2. What is the minimum value? 1. 1 and 3 minimum value 1. 1 and 4 minimum value is 1. 1 and 5 minimum value 1. This type you should construct the operation table. Okay, now we are going to another one is we should take that one. What I found this one. This one is okay. This one is question is consider the consider the binary operation star on the set on the set 1 2 3 4 5 given by the following multiplication table. Given by following multiplication table. We can take that one following one table. So this takes as a, this is also 1 2 3 4. It is considered star and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is takes as an, so this is also 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. They are given 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 2 1 2 1 and 1 1 3 1 1 1 2 1 4 1 and 1 1 1 1 1 1 5. Okay, first one is compute 2 star 3 star of 4 and 2 star 3 star 4. Second one is star commutative? Star is commutative. Star commutative. Next one is compute 2 star 3 and 4 star 5. Just you should look here, students. Just you have to observe here. Consider the binary operation star on the set. This one operation table is consist of 5 rows and 5 columns. This means 5 elements 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This one column is already given in textbook. Just they are asking that we should compute, find this one value 2 star 3 star 4 2 star 3 star 4 given by the multiplication table. By using this one multiplication table, we must and should be find this one value and this one value. First we should come to this one 2 star 3 star of 4. Okay, 2 star 3 just you have to observe here 2 is there 2 star 3. It means that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. should take 1 star of 4 1 star 4 1 star 4. what is element 1 star 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 star 4 is 1. next one 2 star 3 star 4. okay, 2 star 3 star 4. 3 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 star 4 ರೋದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತ 3 star 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 star ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇ ರೋ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೂರನೇ ರೋ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ 1. 2 star 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರೋದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 star 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತಲ್ಲ. and next one is star commutative ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ನಾವು. is star commutative? is it possible to say it is commutative for property? so okay, we have to check that one. how to check that one? commutative property it will tells us ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a star b is equal to b star a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. now let us check according to this one multiplication table. now I will take that one 2 star 3. I will take this one 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2. both are equal. just have to check that one. 2 star 3 2 in the row, 2 star 3 column, 1 is there 1, and just have to take 3 is a row and 3 star 2 3 is row, 2 is column. it means 3 and 2 in between, those 2 3 and 2 are intersected at 1. okay now, so haga next we will check another one 4 into 5. what happened? 4 into 5. what happened? this one 4 star 3, we will take any one, 4 star 3 or 4 star 5, 4 star 5, 5 star 4, it means both are equal, 4 star 5, it means it is 1, and 5 star 4, it means 5 star 4, this is also equal to 1, whatever, and whatever you can check that one, whichever row and whichever column you have to change, alternatively change, that is given the same value, that's why it is called commutative property. Okay, and next one, check that one, it is possible to satisfy compute this one, 2 star 3 star 4 star 5, 2 star 3 and star of 4 star 5. Now let us check that one, 2 star 3, it means that 2 star of 3, it means 1. So next 4 star 5, 4 star 5, it means 1, 1 star 1 is 1 star 1 is 1. This is the answer. Okay, next one.